welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas! Y'all, we did it. We're doing it. We're a week and some change in. I think a week and a day. This video is going to be like a week and a day or a week and 2 days. I'm not sure. But today's video, we are going to be getting into the Christmas spirit. Remember I told y'all in one of the videos, like, I'm doing Vlogmas and I'm not even doing any Christmas themed videos whatsoever. So today we're gonna get into the spirit. Actually, we're gonna go to Target, buy some stuff for Christmas, decorate the Christmas tree, and just really get into the vibes and set the vibes. So I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogmas so far. If you are, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know that you're enjoying Vlogmas so far and enjoying all of these uploads. Daily uploads from me is great. But we're doing it. So I'll see y'all when we get to Target. So we're in Target now. We just split up and my sister's coming behind me, but I'm gonna go to like the Christmas section. Let's see what's good. Oh my god, there's so many people. There's so many people. Hold on. Look how cute. But I don't know about for $10. This smells so good. Like actually. So we're thinking about either this one or this one. I feel like this one's pine and red berries. And then this one's pine, red, eucalyptus, and berries. I don't know about the eucalyptus. This one looks better. This one looks more like Christmassy. Okay, so this is it, but somebody took it out the box. Is that gonna fit on our fireplace?
Yes, it has, yeah. It will.
See how much cuter?
Oh, sí, mira qué bonito.
I just saw a TikTok where somebody said Target is just full of junk. And I was like, they're kind of right. Oh, Lenny, don't you have a basket like this? You know what we can do? Lenny has a basket like this. We could put it in the on the coffee table. Oh, she's a cutie. Oh, she's cute.
Very.
Would literally love this. Look, 80 bucks. I'd rather spend 80 bucks on this. Which you would love. I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of clearing the aisles.
Yeah,
like they're clearing it. I want to do stuff like this, like on the outside of the house. I feel like that would be so cute. Okay, so what color should we do for Christmas? They have these little. You can do red and gold. Look, I like the red though.
Yeah,
too.
the red is really pretty.
But red and gold or just all red?
Red and gold. All red would be too much red.
No, all
Yeah.
too much.
Yeah, no, red and gold.
So cute. I'm gonna get this so we can make gingerbread houses. So they decided to walk to Dollar Tree. They, as in my mother.
Yeah.
She's, I don't know what's up with her, but yeah, this is what the stockings my mom was talking about from the
They
Dollar
weren't
Tree.
like that back then.
That's insane.
They weren't like that. No, they weren't like that.
That's
back
insane.
Then.
These are not gonna look cute.
Yeah.
Oh, we can get like the cute pops of like cute little Christmas tree. You know, like the cute pops here, maybe. Penguin sledding for the tree. That would be cute.
Oh, this.
It's all $1 here anyways. Holly and Jolly. That's cute. Okay, so we just left the Dollar Tree, pick up a little bit more of decor, and now we're headed to Five Below. My mom didn't want to buy stockings at Target, even though we should have got them at Target because they were so cute, but hopefully they have something at Five Below that's like cute. We'll see.
Yourself a merry little Christmas, you know. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
These are $1. What should we get?
Oh, shit, look.
Like a personality one.
Donut.
This is cute. I like this one. Oh, the nutcracker is cute.
Oh my.
They're cheap. You don't have to. Y'all, big dilemma. We couldn't find our Christmas tree, so my dad couldn't find a Christmas tree, so he threw away my Christmas tree. So he's on his way to go buy another Christmas tree. But while he's doing that, we're gonna bake some cookies and these. But before we bake the cookies, I really wanted to give y'all a haul from Target. Might do decoration tomorrow morning so that there's like light outside. So we're probably gonna do the decor tomorrow morning, and then today's just gonna be a cute little Christmas cozy vibe. But this is the garland. The next thing we got from Target are just some red and gold Christmas ornaments, super cute. Also from Target, we're gonna make some gingerbread cookies today. I was gonna do this with my brother and his girlfriend, but they're leaving because they hate us so much. No, I'm kidding. But me and Lenny are gonna do it, and maybe my mom will join. And then from Five Below, we got the Santa matte stockings. My sister got hers in an S. They look the price. They were $2. This one's for my daughter. Then we have one for my dad, and for my mom, and then for me, super cute Christmas ornaments just to spice up the Christmas tree. It doesn't really go with the balls, but it's okay. A nutcracker, a donut, and Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. So cute. And next from the Dollar Tree, just got these little snowflakes, these Christmas trees that light up, and then some more like decor. I'm just gonna show y'all. The Christmas trees. Boom, boom, and boom. That is the haul of everything that we got. We're gonna decorate tomorrow. The cookies are done, and once the oven is ready,
Did y'all hear us?
we're gonna slide them in. Our cookies are done. We just have to let them cool off. Oh, they smell so good. We're gonna bust her open. Let's bust her open. This one is my gingerbread house. She's so cute. I called her the toy shop. So cute. Let me see. Let me see. The icing is really good though.